Choosing the wrong broker can destroy your account before you even place your first trade. Most beginners think trading success comes from strategy, indicators, or finding the perfect setup. But before any of that matters, you need a broker you can actually trust. Today, I'll show you exactly how you should choose a Forex broker. Your broker is not just an app you trade on. The broker holds your money. The broker controls your spreads. The broker executes the trades. And this directly affects your profitability. If the broker is bad, even a good trader struggles. So let's look at the 5 things every beginner should check before opening an account. Number 1, we have regulation and safety. A regulated broker operates under financial oversight. That usually means client funds are kept separate from company funds. There are reporting requirements, and withdrawals must follow strict rules. If regulation is unclear or difficult to verify, do not deposit money. Number 2, we have trading costs. And when you are starting Forex, you should not underestimate the trading costs. These include spreads, commissions, and overnight swap fees. Each individual cost might look small, but trading is repetition. Small costs repeated over hundreds of trades can quietly destroy profitability. Many beginners focus on strategy while ignoring costs, and they never understand why their account struggles to grow. Therefore, always check how the broker makes money. Number 3 is platform and ease of use. You do not want complicated tools when you're starting. You need a stable platform that is easy to understand. Most traders use platforms like MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. What matters is simple order execution, clear charts, and reliability. The platform should help you learn trading and not overwhelm you with features. That's why I always recommend that you use the tried and tested program called MetaTrader 4. Number 4, deposits and withdrawals. This is one of the biggest trust signals. A good broker makes depositing and withdrawing money simple. Look for clear payment methods, reasonable processing times, and transparent policies. If withdrawing money feels complicated, that is usually a warning sign. You should always feel confident that you can access your own funds. And the last point is beginner-friendly conditions. Check whether your broker actually supports beginners. What I mean by this? Things like a low minimum deposit, access to a demo account, responsive customer support, and basic educational resources make a huge difference early on. Your broker should help you learn and not pressure you into trade. To make it easier for choosing a Forex broker, I created a simple broker comparison where I look at regulation, trading costs, usability, and beginner friendliness all in one place. You can find the full ranking at forexvalidator.com. There is a link to my website in this description. Some beginner-friendly options people often look at include brokers like VT Markets or XTB. And I compare these and other options on forexvalidator.com so you can choose what fits your situation best. Remember, your first goal in Forex trading is not to make money quickly. Your first goal is to start safely and reduce unnecessary risk and give yourself the best environment to learn.